Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix the application was unable to start correctly. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Click Turn Windows Features on or off. Check .NET Framework 3.5. Click Let Windows Update download the files for you. Second method is open any browser. Type DirectX End User Runtime in browser search bar. Click DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. Click Download. Open downloaded file. Check I accept the agreement, click Next. Click Finish and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.